أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the last lesson of Surah An-Naba, and which is also the last lesson of this juz. So please watch this lesson till the end. And before starting this lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so kindly subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the latest videos. So now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna lil muttaqina. Inna lil muttaqina mafaza. Mafaza. Inna, there is shad sign on the noon, we make gunna and we long. Inna lil muttaqina, and on the lam we make tawassut quality, which is the moderation sound. So we do not disconnect the sound of lam here, like we cannot say lil mut. In this way we are discontinuing our sound, which is wrong. So tawassut means little discontinue and little continue, alright, the middle moderation sound. So we say lil mut. We cannot say lil mut. If we say this, so it means we are discontinuing our sound on the lam. So just keep in mind that. Qaf we read in heavy sound and we long as well. There is ya madda. So we say lil muttaqina mafaza. Fa we long due to alif madda, and if we stop here, so then also we skip one fatha from there and one fatha only we read, so it will be alif madda then. So we say mafaza, and the next there is a circle, which is the ayat, and the other one is lam alif. So it's mean you don't need to stop here, so it's optional place for you. If you want to continue, you continue, otherwise you can stop. So if you stop, so we say mafaza with one fatha on the za. So we say again, inna lil muttaqina mafaza. Inna lil muttaqina mafaza. Hadaiqa. Hadaiqa wa a'naba. Hadaiqa. Ha we read from the middle of the throat, dal we long due to alif madda, and also there is big mad sign on the alif. So after the alif madda, the next letter is hamza. So in the same word, so this is called madde muttasil. So we long 4 to 5 alif. We say hadai. Qaf we read in heavy sound. So we say again hadaiqa wa a'naba. On the ain we make tawassut quality, little continue. Wa Naba, noon we long due to alif madda, and when we stop on this place, so this becomes also alif madda. So we say wa a'naba. And if you would like to continue, so you can continue as well. At that time it will be wa a'naba. Alright, so we connect with the waw, it will be idgham with gunna. But right now we are stopping, so we say hadaiqa wa a'naba wa kawa'iba atraba wa kawa'iba. Kaf we read in light sound, waw we long due to alif madda, ain we read from the middle of the throat. Wa kawa'iba. On the ta we make shiddat and hams quality. First we make shiddat at. In shiddat we discontinue the sound as we say at. it is discontinuing. And then we if we release the sound of ta, so then we make hums, like the continue our breath. It will be at. Ra we read in a heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Similarly, alif we read in heavy, because before the alif, if heavy letters come, we read alif in heavy sound, and before the alif, if there is light letter, at that time we read alif in light sound. But right now, ra and alif both we read in heavy sound, and ba we read with one fatha when we stop, so it will be at-raba. So we say again, وَكَوَاعِبَ أَتْرَابًا. And if you would continue, so it will be أَتْرَابًا وَكَأْسًا دِهَاقًا. وَكَأْسًا دِهَاقًا. وَكَأْسًا. Kaf we read in light sound. On the Hamza we make jerk sound, and it is shiddat quality on the Hamza, like we discontinuing our sound. Waka. After the tanween, the next letter is dal. We make ikhfa sound here, which is the light ikhfa. Ha we long due to alif madda. Qaf and alif we read in heavy sound, and when we stop, so it one fatha only we read here. So we say dihaqa. So we say all together, وَكَأْسًا دِهَاقًا. وَكَأْسًا دِهَاقًا. لَا يَسْمَعُونَ فِيهَا. لَا يَسْمَعُونَ فِيهَا لَغْوًا وَلَا كِذَّابًا. لَغْوًا وَلَا كِذَّابًا. La yasma'una. Lam we long due to alif madda. Yasma'una. There is whistle and hums quality on the scene. Una ain we read from the middle of the throat, and also we long it is waw madda. La yasma'una. Fiha. Fi we long due to ya madda. Ha we long due to alif madda. Fiha. Law. On the ghain we read in heavy sound, and also we make rakhawa quality, like the we continue our sound, and also we make soft sound. Law. Law. After the tanween there is waw, we make idgham with gunna. So we say law. Law. Wala. Lam we long due to alif madda. Kizaba. Kaf we connect with the zal with the strong voice. Zal we read in soft sound, and also we long due to standing fatha on it, and ba also we long when we stop, it will be alif madda then. So we say wala kizaba. La yasma'una fiha laghwan wala kizaba. So there are two signs. The one is swalle and the second is jim. Swalle means don't stop here, and jim means you can stop and you can continue as well, but the stop is better. And also the third sign is circle. So we need to stop here. That is better. And the next, jaza'am. Jaza'am mir rabbika. Mir rabbika ata'an hisaba. Ata'an hisaba. Jaza'am. Za we long due to alif madda, and also there is big mad sign on the alif. So we make madde muttasil here, because after the alif madda the next letter is hamza in the same word. It is also called madde wajib. So we say jaza'am, which we long 4 to 5 alif. After the tanween the next letter is mim. We make idgham with gunna, like the mim is coming with shadda sign, that's why. So we say jaza'am mir rabbika. After the nun sakin there is ra. We make idgham without gunna. So we do not make gunna sound here, and mim directly we connect with the ra. Noon we do not read here. Mir. So we say mir rabbika. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Ata'an hi. Ta we read in heavy sound and also we long due to alif madda, and alif is also heavy because before the alif there is heavy letter. And also this mad is madde muttasil because after the alif madda hamza is coming in the same word, it is madde muttasil again. So we long 4 to 5 alif almost. After tanween, which is on the hamza, like double zabar, like double fatha, so the next letter is ha, which is the throat letter. So that's why we make izhar here, the clear sound of noon. So it will be ata'an hi, anhi. Okay, we are not making gunna. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. Sin we long due to alif madda, and when we stop, so it's become alif madda as well. We say hisaba. Ata'an hisaba. Jaza'an min rabbika ata'an hisaba. Rabbis samawati. Rabbis samawati. Wal ardi. Wal ardi. وما بينهما الرحمن وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا Rabbis, Rab we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it, and on the shad letter we make bit strong wise. Rabbis. On the sin we make hums quality, and similarly whistling sound. Mim and waw we long due to standing fatha on both of them. So we say Rabbis samawati wal ardi. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Ra and Dwad, both we read in heavy sound. Ra we read in heavy due to sukun sign on the Ra, and there is a fatha before the Ra. This is the reason, and Dwad is from isti'la letter. So we say wal ardi, and on the lam and on the Ra, both letters have tawassut quality. Wal ardi. Wama, mim we long due to alif madda. Bainahumar. Bay. This is ya lean. Ya is coming with sukun sign, and before the ya there is fatha. So we read in soft sound. Ha we read from the bottom of the throat. Mim we connect with the ra with the strong voice. Wama bainahumar rahmani. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Ha we read from the middle of the throat, and also we continue our breath here in this letter. It is called hums quality. Mim we long due to standing fatha. We say rahmani. Rahmani. La yamlikuna. Lam we long due to alif madda. After the mim sakin, the next letter is lam. So it is called izhar shafavi here. So we make the clear sound of mim. Yamli without gunna. Kaf we long due to waw madda. So we say La yamlikuna minhu. After the noon sakin there is ha, which is throat letter. So we make the clear sound of noon like it is izhar here without gunna. Minhu. Minhu. Khitaba. Kha, ta, alif. These three letters we read in heavy sound, and ta we long due to alif madda, and ba also we long when we stop. So it becomes alif madda. We say khitaba. Now we say all together. Rabbis samawati wal ardi wa ma baynahuma ar-Rahman. وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا. And if we continue here, so we make idgham with gunna then. Ba we connect with the ya then. Khitaban yawma. But right now we are stopping, so we say khitaba. The next is yawma. Yawma. Yaqumur ruhu. Yaqumur ruhu. والملائكة والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا Yawma, this waw is vowelin, we read in soft sound. Yaqumur, qaf we read in heavy sound and also we long due to waw madda. Ra we read in heavy sound and also we long due to waw madda. So we say Yaqumur ruhu wal malaikatu. On the lam we make tawassut quality. So the second lam we long due to a standing fatha and also there is big mad sign. So this is madde muttasil again. After the standing fatha, which is equal to alif madda, the next letter is hamza in the same word. So we make madde muttasil almost 4 to 5 alif we long. Wal malaikatu swafalla. Swad we read in heavy sound, and after the tanween, the next letter is lam. So we are connecting and we make idgham without gunna. Like we do not make gunna here because after the tanween, the next letter is lam. And also you can see there are 3 signs. The one is lam alif, second is qaf, and the third is ta. So the 2 signs meaning don't stop here. The lam alif and qaf meaning don't stop, and ta meaning is stop. So you can stop or you can continue, but the 2 signs are saying continue, so that's why we continue then. So we say swafalla. Lam we long due to alif madda. Yatakallamuna. Kaf we read in light sound. On the lam we make bit strong wise. Mim we long due to waw madda. So we say La yatakallamuna illa man adhina. Illa. Lam we long due to alif madda. After the noon sakin, the next letter is hamza. So we make izhar, the clear sound of noon. Man adhina. Lahur rahmanu. Ra we read in heavy sound. On the ha we make hams quality, continuation of our breath. Mim we long due to standing fatha. Rahmanu. Waqala. Qaf and alif we read in heavy sound, and swad also we read in heavy sound. Waw we long due to alif madda, and when we stop, so this one fatha will be skipped from there, and only one fatha we read on the ba. It's become alif madda then. So we say sawaba. And now we read again. يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا. ذلك اليوم الحق. ذلك اليوم الحق. فمن شاء اتخذ. فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا. إلى ربه مآبا. ذلك اليوم الحق. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to a standing fatha. Dhalikal. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Yawmul. Yaw, this waw we read in soft sound due to waw lean. On the lam again tawassut quality. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. On the qaf we make qalqala sound, and which is the strongest qalqala here, because the qalqala letter is coming with shad sign on it, and also we are stopping. So, and also we read qaf in heavy sound. So we say Yawmul Haqq, and there is a small jim which is the stop sign. You have to stop here. So we say the next Faman sha'a attakhadha. After the nun sakin, the next letter is sheen. We make ikhfa, which is the light ikhfa. Sheen we long due to alif madda here, and also the big mad sign, which is madde muttasil. So we long 4 to 5 alif. Sha'at takhadha. Kha we read in heavy sound, zal we read in soft sound. So we say again Faman sha'a attakhadha. Ila, lam we long due to standing fatha. Rabbihi, ra we read in heavy sound. Ha we long due to standing kasra. Ma'aba, alif has a standing fatha, so it we long here. And similarly ba we long due to alif madda when we stop. Ma'aba. Dhalikal yawmul haqq. Faman sha'a attakhadha ila rabbihi ma'aba. Inna anzarnakum. Inna anzarnakum azaban qariban yawma. Azaban qariban yawma. Yanzurul mar'u. Yanzurul mar'u ma qaddamat yadahu. Ma qaddamat yadahu. Wa yaqulul kafiru. Wa yaqulul kafiru Ya laytani. Ya laytani kuntu turaba. Kuntu turaba. Inna, on the noon there is shad sign, we make gunna. Noon we long due to alif madda, because after the alif madda the next letter is hamza, which is coming in the beginning of the next word, so it is called madde munfasil. So we long almost 3 to 4 alif here. And on the next noon, after the noon sakin there is zal, we make ikhfa here. The ra we read in heavy sound. Noon we long due to standing fatha, so we say Inna anzarnakum. After the mim sakin, the next letter is ain. We make the clear sound of mim, which is izhar shafawi here. Azaban qaribain. Zal we read in soft sound, and also we long due to alif madda. After the tanween, the next letter is qaf. We make again ikhfa here, the hiding sound of noon, but we make the heavy ikhfa here, because after the tanween the next letter is qaf, which is the heavy letter, so we make heavy ikhfa here. Qaf we read in heavy sound, ra we read in light sound, and also we long due to ya madda. And after the tanween, which is on the ba, we connect with the ya because of idgham. It is idgham with gunna. Idgham with gunna we make here, so we say Azaban qariban yawma. Yaw, this is wawleen, we read soft sound. And you see here there are again 3 signs, swalle, jim, and the one another which is almost written 5 in Arabic. So swalle means don't stop here, we continue. That's why we continue. On the jim, again optional place, you can continue or you can stop as well. So that's why we say here qariban yawma yanzurul mar'u. On the noon sakin we make ikhfa again here, which is a heavy ikhfa. After the noon sakin there is ra, which is the from ikhfa letters and from heavy letters as well. Ra again we read in heavy sound. On the lam we make tawassut quality. The next ra we read in heavy sound. We say yanzurul mar'u, mar'u. Ma qaddamat, mim we long due to alif madda. Qaf we read in heavy sound. On the dal we make bit strong wise. On the ta we make shiddat and hams quality. Qaddamat. Yadahu, dal we long due to standing fatha on it. Wa yaqulul kafiru. Qaf we read in heavy sound and also we long due to waw madda. Kafiru, the second kaf we read in light sound. Ra we read in heavy sound. Wa yaqulul kafiru. Ya laytani, ya we long due to standing fatha. Lay, this is ya lean here, we read soft sound. Tani, this noon we long due to ya madda. Ya laytani kuntu. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ikhfa letter, which is ta. We make light ikhfa here. Kuntu, like we hide the sound of noon into our nose. Turaba, ra we read in heavy sound and also we long due to standing fatha on it. And if we stop here, so we say one fatha, it becomes alif madda. So we say turaba. And you can see here is a ayat sign. And also the ain is written on it, which is the ruku sign. So you can see here to the right side, it is ruku. So now we say this complete ayat. Inna anzarnakum azaban qariban yawma yanzurul mar'u ma qaddamat yadah. يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا. So I hope you understand this surah, and now I just repeat this complete lesson again. So listen carefully. If you have any kind of question, you can ask and just repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna lil muttaqina mafazan hadaiqa wa a'naba wa kawa'iba atraban wa ka'san dihaqa. لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا ذلك اليوم الحق فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا. Sadaqallahul Azim. So Alhamdulillah, we completed our this juz, the 30th juz. And if you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video, and also suggest me which juz I have to start now, like the first juz or the 29th juz. So I will wait of your comments. Inshallah, we will see in the next class. And inshallah also I am going to start some Tajweed rules. So stay tuned. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.